Good morning, children. Today I will start a new lesson, that is 2.2 Working Families. First of all, I want to introduce the topic, that is working families. As you all know, the meaning of working and families. Working means doing any work or job, and families means a group of people who are related by blood to each other, like parents and their children. Here I will tell you the whole meaning of working families. Working families means such families where both partners, or you can say parents like mother and father, works to earn sufficient money. Sufficient means enough money for running their house smoothly or fulfillment of their needs. As we all know that nowadays all things are very costly, like education is very costly, all the household things are very costly. So for the fulfillment of our needs, both the partners have to work together. So children, nowadays mother and father both are working together or in different fields. They choose their field according to their capability, just because of securing their future as well as their children's future. And they also committed their family, their children's need, all the things together. Now I'm going to read. It is a very long time since the days when mothers stayed at home and devoted all their time to housework and raising children. Nowadays, both partners in many households have to balance their commitments to their jobs, children, and the household chores. How do they do it? Here in this paragraph, like we all know that nowadays all women's mothers all are working, but in earlier time mothers stayed at home and spending their full time with housework and raising their children. But nowadays both partners, means husband and wife, mother and father, working in their field. They are choosing their field according to their capability and making suitable balance between their jobs and their household chores. Here commitments means, you can see the meaning, promises to do something or to behave in a particular way. Again I am repeating, promises to do something or to behave in a particular way. So here parents are giving commitments with their job, their children, and household chores. Chores, you can see the meaning here, tasks that we do regularly. Means all the housework also they do regularly. With their jobs, with their children, both the parents are doing all the works and managing all the things. Here question is, how do they do it? Means how they able to do this? How can a person manage all the things? A family magazine has interviewed 5 readers about their work, their home, and family commitments. Read below what they have to say. Here one family magazine one news magazine has interviewed means five readers talk to five readers means some readers about their work, their home and family commitments, just for knowing how they manage or how they make balance between all this. So read below what they have to say. Now the first person is Chitra Singh. She is 31 years old. Here what she is saying: both husband and I have been working at the same factory since before we got married. This isn't a particularly secure situation because we would both lose our jobs if the factory closed. However, there is no other work available and our wages aren't bad. Here Chitra is saying what she is saying. She and her husband had been working at the same factory. They both worked in a same factory before they got married. Means before marriage they worked in the same place. And she said this job, she is talking about this job, is not a very fixed, particularly secure means it is not very fixed situation that they will job in the same factory. They will do job in the same factory forever. It is not fixed. Why she is saying like this? Because if the factory closed, then what happened? They both lose their jobs. If they work in different place, then what happened? If one person lose their job, then the second person can manage all the needs, all the family needs. But here what she is saying, this situation is not very fixed and good situation, because if the factory closed, they both lose their jobs. Here, however, there is no other work. Why she is saying there is no other job was available and their wages means payment, their salary is very good. Aren't bad means are not bad, means they got a very good salary, good payment they are getting. That's why they both are working in the same factory. Here both our boys go to school now, so there isn't any big problem. When my parents were still alive, they looked after them. Now the boys reach back home from school before I or my husband get back from the factory. Here Chitra is saying she has two boys and now they are going to school, so there is no big problem. And when Chitra's parents were alive, means now they are not alive, but when they alive, they looked after them. And now the boys reach home from school before I or my husband get. Now she is saying now the boys came back home before they came back. Home, before that they reach the home. Now she is saying, I do feel a little guilty about not being able to serve them something hot and refreshing on their return. Fortunately, neither the factory nor the school is far from our house, and in case of any emergency, we can be with each other in no time. I am not a very modern woman. I do practically all the housework and cooking. However, Jagjit likes to take responsibility for the shopping and does all the ironing also. Thus, we can have more time together as a family. Here Chitra is saying their boys, their children came early in home, so that's why she felt guilty. Why she felt guilty? Because she never available to serve them hot and refresh food on their return. But here she is saying fortunately means luckily their factory is not far from their house, and in any emergency they can reach their home in no time. Means their factory is very close to their house and school also very close to their house. So luckily neither the factory nor the school is far from their house, and in any emergency they both reach their home in no time. Now Chitra said she is not very modern woman. She is not very modern woman and she do all the housework. She do all the housework, and her husband Jagjit, what Jagjit is doing? Jagjit likes to take responsibility for shopping and all the ironing work. Thus, they manage the job and household work and their family. Next one is Bharti Nagpal. She is 26 years old. Now what Bharti is saying? My work as an accountant at a bank often keeps me busy for longer than the normal 9 to 5 office hours. On the other hand, Yogesh is a teacher, so he can get home earlier and prepare the evening meal while at the same time entertain our little daughter Archana. My mother, who lives in the next block, collects Archana from nursery school and looks after her for a couple of hours until Yogesh can take her home. Neither of us is very keen on housework, so we tend to do the bare minimum. Anyway, now that I have a good job with a high salary, I have started paying a woman to do most of the housework. She comes 3 days a week. Here, Bharti is an accountant. Accountant means someone who keeps or examines the records of money received or paid. Okay, once again I am telling you the meaning of accountant. Someone who keeps or examines the records of money received or paid. So she is an accountant in a bank and often keep busy for longer time, more than, like normal time is 9 to 5, office time is 9 to 5, and mostly often she busy longer than normal time in a bank. On the other hand, Yogesh, her husband, is a teacher, so he can get home earlier. Yogesh came earlier and he prepared the evening meal, and at the same time he entertained her little daughter Archana, means playing with her daughter. My mother, now Bharti is saying my mother, who lives in the next block, means nearby their house. Her mother is also living in next block. What she is doing? Her mother collects Archana from nursery school and looks after her for a couple of hours. Couple of hours means for some time, until till what time Yogesh can take her home. Means until Archana's father came, her mother keep her nicely. Now she is saying neither of us is very keen on housework. Neither of us means no one in the both is very keen. Keen means committed, or you can say dedicated for any housework. So we tend to do bare minimum. First of all, you can see the meaning of tend. Naturally have a mind to do something. Again I am repeating. Tend means naturally have a mind to do something. And bare minimum, only the least possible. Bare minimum means only the least possible. So here she is saying neither of us means no one is very keen. Keen means committed or dedicated on any work. So we tend means naturally they have mindset. They are doing only least possible things. Whatever is important, they are doing only that work. Now she is saying anyway, now I have got good job. Now she said now I am getting good job, like as an accountant in a bank. So she is getting good salary, high salary. So she, now what she is doing, I have started paying a woman. Now they are keeping one maid for housework. She comes 3 days a week. That maid comes 3 days a week. So we have seen like this Bharti and her husband Yogesh managing their family and their job, and they are making a good balance between their job and family. Now the next person is Mamta Sinha, that we will continue in the next video. Okay, so you just have to read this book and this lesson till Bharti Nagpal. Okay, and find out the difficult word if any. Now I'm going to end the video, but before that I just want to remind you, as we have completed poem 1.4 and after that 2.1. Sorry, if 1.4 is not a poem, it's a lesson, and 2.1 also we have completed. So you will get word meanings and question answer in next PDF, maybe on Saturday. So you have to do your work, complete your notes. Okay, till then, thank you.